Welcome to Elite Cars. Today we're diving into the electrifying future of supercars with the all-new 2025 Audi RITE e-tron. This is not just a successor to Audi's iconic RITE, it's a revolution in design and performance. Under the hood, well, technically under the floor, is a T-shaped 92 HMH's battery pack powering 4 electric motors. With a combined output of 340 kW and the jaw-dropping 920 Nm of torque, this beast rockets from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.9 seconds. And it does all that while delivering an estimated range of 450 kilometers. Thanks to advanced torque vectoring and lightning-fast steering response, the RITE e-tron is a joy to drive. Audi's engineers have redefined cornering, offering unparalleled grip and precision. And yes, the all-electric drivetrain is whisper quiet, but the thrill is anything but muted. Step inside and you'll find the perfect blend of luxury and innovation. Premium materials, a minimalist design, and state-of-the-art technology make every journey an experience to remember. Even the rear-view mirror has gone digital, featuring an OLED display instead of traditional glass. If you're enjoying this sneak peek into Audi's electrified future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you take this electric supercar for a spin? The 2025 Audi RITE e-tron isn't just a car, it's a statement. It marks the end of an era for gas-powered supercars and the dawn of a sustainable, high-performance future. Audi is proving that going green doesn't mean sacrificing speed, luxury, or excitement. Stay tuned for more reviews and exclusive looks at the world's most exciting cars right here on Elite Cars. See you next time.